So I was considering going to Yosemite and to book a reservation to go to Yosemite Park for camping. And it's rather ridiculous. I had to go online and search for a campsite at Yosemite, which is a natural park. So it went something like this. I'm searching for a campground. How do I make a reservation? And how do I get a campground? How much does it cost? Well, you go to www.yosemiteparks.com/ searching for rates / how much / looking for space / how many people will be there when I'm going there / how long can I stay / how big is a campground / what can I bring to the campground .net. Okay, so that's the website to go camping. So in the digital age, if you want to be a part of nature and experience nature, just go online and go to www.seekingnature.net.com.org / looking for nature / trying to get off of the net / going offline / no need for Snapchat / no need for LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo, Pinterest, Instagram, Messenger, or text .it. There you go. So that's all you have to do when you want to experience nature. Just go online and seek it out. And you'll have no problem becoming one with nature, because you'll be like part of the new generation of shipme.now.digi.tree.digi.ocean.digi rustic.digi cabin.digi / s'mores - coffee - lantern .guessing. Okay, so there you go. It's really easy. That's how you access nature.